Okay, last of the day 3 word problems. You're standing on the ground when you observe a friend flying a fighter jet plane. I didn't realize that we had friends who flew fighter jet planes. You know that she is flying at an elevation of 6.3 kilometers. So if we start filling in what we need here, we know that this is the ground. Here's your friend in the fighter jet. Elevation 6.3. At one point you see her coming at you at an angle of 49 degrees. 40 seconds later you turn to see her at an angle of 15 degrees. How fast is your friend flying? So here's you. And you look over in this direction and you measure the angle and it's 49 degrees. And then she goes zooming past over the course of 40 seconds. And you turn and you measure the angle, and at 15 degrees after that 40 seconds, there she has it. Now, there's multiple ways you can do this. I think the best way to do it is to apply alternate interior angles. Here's the ground. Here's the Z and the knee. You can kind of see it. I can highlight it. You have this and this and this, and you have the same thing on the other side backwards. So you can put your 49 right here, and you can put your 15 right here. And if we want to figure out how fast she's flying, it's going to be total distance, the distance from here to here, distance divided by time, and we'll have it. So I think it's just easiest to use SOHCAHTOA. And I got a 49 degree angle, and the opposite is 6.3, and this would be the adjacent. That would be that little bit right there. So I'll have tangent of 49 equals 6.3 kilometers over x, and then over here I'll have the tangent of 15 equals 6.3, let's call it y, and that'll be the tangent of 15 is opposite over adjacent. So we can either cross multiply or set up a proportion for both of these. Either way, I'm doing 6.3 divided by the tangent of 49 for the first one. And I get x is 5.47, and that would be kilometers. And then when I do the second one, I will have 6.3 divided by the tangent of 15, and I get 23.51 for y equals 23.51 kilometers. It should make sense that the bigger angle, there's a shorter distance, so together the total distance, we can add them up. We would get 28.98. How about approximately 29 kilometers? If we go approximately 29 kilometers in 40 seconds, we can figure out kilometers per second, but we probably want to figure out kilometers per hour. So I can do 29 times 60 times 60 divided by 40 and get 2,610 kilometers per hour. Moving pretty good, your female friend, the pilot of a fighter jet. They didn't specify whether we should be in kilometers per second or what the case was, so we can go ahead with kilometers per hour.